What if I told you that myths were never just stories? That legends of floods, fire-breathing monsters, and vanishing islands were our ancestors' way of recording real earth-shaking events? In a time before satellites, before science, there were stories. But now, geologists are beginning to decode them. From the depths of the Black Sea to the flaming hills of Turkey, this is not just about fantasy. This is about truth hidden inside myth. Let's uncover 10 ancient tea stories that may actually be eyewitness accounts of terrifying geological events. 1. Noah's flood, a disaster too big to forget. A man builds an ark. Rain falls for 40 days. The world drowns. Sounds biblical, but the truth might be buried underwater. Around 7,600 years ago, a massive flood may have occurred when the Mediterranean Sea broke through into the Black Sea. Scientists believe this sudden breach drowned hundreds of square miles of land in just days. To those who lived there, it must have felt like the end of the world. Could this be the flood that inspired not just Noah, but Mesopotamian, Indian, and native flood legends across the world? 2. The Oracle of Delphi, Earth's gaseous whisperer. In ancient Greece, the Oracle of Delphi sat in a sacred chamber, inhaling vapors from deep within the earth. She would fall into a trance and speak the words of the god Apollo. But modern geologists uncovered the secret. Delphi sits on a fault line, a mix of ethylene and dimethane gases leak through the rock, creating real hallucinogenic effects. No gods needed, just chemistry and tectonics. What if many so-called divine visions were triggered by Earth's own breath? 3. Atlantis, the utopia that blew itself apart. Plato described Atlantis as a proud island nation that fell into the sea in a single day. But what if Atlantis did exist, just not in the way we imagined? Around 1600 BCE, the volcanic island of Thera, modern-day Santorini, exploded with unimaginable force. It triggered tsunamis, darkened skies, and devastated civilizations across the Mediterranean. Could Plato's Atlantis be a memory of Thera's destruction passed down for centuries? And here is the chilling part. The volcano isn't dead. Could another eruption awaken the legend? 4. Pele, the Forests of Fire, Hawaii's longest lava flow. Hawaiian legends tell of Pele, the volcano goddess who set forests ablaze in jealousy. Scientists say Pele's rage matches a real event. A 60-year lava flow in the 15th century that destroyed hundreds of square kilometers of land. It's one of the longest lava flows in human history. The myth preserved its memory. But what if Pele's story is more than memory? What if it's a way to remember and to warn? 5. Rama's Bridge, a road lost to the sea. In the Indian epic Ramayana, monkeys and bears build a floating bridge across the sea to help Rama rescue his wife. That bridge isn't just in poetry, it's visible from space. A chain of limestone shoals connects India and Sri Lanka. Geological evidence shows it was once walkable, until sea levels rose after the Ice Age. What other ancient miracles are actually climate memories? 6. The exploding lake of Cameroon, death in the air. One African tale tells of a cursed lake that exploded, killing thousands. It happened in 1986. Lake Nyos, a volcanic crater, released a deadly cloud of carbon dioxide. It flowed like a ghost, silently suffocating 1,700 villagers. And the same thing happened 2 years earlier at another lake nearby. These ancient warnings weren't just myths, they were survival guides. The question is, are we still listening? 7. Namaju the catfish, the creature beneath Japan. In Japanese folklore, a giant catfish slumbers under the earth. When he moves, earthquakes follow. Japan lies on the edge of 4 tectonic plates. Earthquakes are constant. But could a catfish be symbolic of seismic instability? Ancient fish myths may have emerged from real patterns, observed by generations who knew their land was never still. Today, Japan doesn't pray to catfish. It builds earthquake warning systems because the earth still shifts without warning. 8. Chimera's flame, a monster made of methane. A fire-breathing monster once roamed Turkey's mountains, according to Greek mythology. But in the hills of Yanartas, flames still burn, no monster needed. Methane seeps through rock cracks and ITES, creating eternal flames that have burned for thousands of years. To ancient sailors, it was magic. To us, it's science with a touch of awe. 9. Crater Lake, a story told for 7,000 years. The Klamath people of Oregon told a story. Two gods fought, and a mountain collapsed into a crater. Rain filled the void. Scientists now confirm Mount Mazma erupted violently 7,700 years ago. The volcano collapsed, forming Crater Lake. But here is the mind-blowing part. The story has been told accurately for over 7,000 years. That's longer than any written history. Myths, it turns out, may outlast books. 10. The Vanishing Island, Theonimnu's Final Breath. In the Solomon Islands, Theonimnu vanished after a curse. The sea swallowed it whole. Satellite images today show islands submerged in the exact region. Earthquakes and underwater landslides can erase land from the map. Just like that. In fact, 5 islands in this region have disappeared in just the past 50 years due to sea level rise and erosion. These stories weren't just bedtime myths. They were memory systems, survival manuals, oral history encoded in emotion, metaphor, and imagination. And now, we're finally beginning to see the science inside the story. Earth is still writing myths every day through tsunamis, eruptions, and rising seas. The only question is, are we wise enough to read them? If you loved this deep dive into ancient stories and modern science, hit that like button. Leave a comment, subscribe,